Hi, my name is Swapnil Bhatia, and today I'm going to talk about a really interesting product. The reason it's interesting is because usually I don't review these kind of products. Usually I review what I buy and use it for myself, and then I share my experience with my readers. But this is an interesting tablet. It has come from China, and it was sent to me by the manufacturer for the review. The reason it is interesting is first of all, it's so far I have used tablets which are phones which are running on ARM processor. This is the first tablet that I'm going to use, which is powered by none other than Intel themselves. I've never used an Intel tablet before, so it will be really interesting to see how it performs. And the second interesting thing is that this is also the first tablet that comes with both Android as well as Windows. I have actually not played with it. I have only charged it and opened some apps, but I have really not spent any time with this tablet so far because I went to LinksCon and I was busy with the stories and everything else. So this will be actually the first time I'm going to use this tablet. So whatever I'm going to do right now will be my first experience with this tablet. Okay, let's open the box and see what's in there. This is your tablet. It's white and in a plastic cover. It feels actually very light. Let's keep the tablet aside and see what else is in the box. This looks like charger. Yes, it is. Charger. And then what's in here? That should be the card, I guess. Yes, it's in USB. And they're using the micro USB, so that's a neat thing. You can use the regular. If you have USB cables, you can simply use those cables. You don't have to buy special cables for the tablet. What else is there? Is there anything else? Yeah, there's something else in the box too. Okay, this looks like a kind of connector. So I think, yeah, I don't know if it is the regular USB extension card or on the go cable, because if it is on the go cable, then you can actually connect it to the tablet and expand its storage. So that I'll check later what kind of cable is that. And then this one seems to be the manual. This one at least is in English. We will focus on the manual later. Let's first quickly have a look at the tablet. So it has, this looks like a volume button. This one looks like power button. There's a port for audio, and then this one is for USB. That one is just for, I think, cosmetic reasons, and it has a Windows logo on it. That's the back of the tablet. Chuwi, and I think I'm pronouncing it right, and then Intel inside. 64 Intel CPU Max 2.16 gigahertz. Okay, let's turn it on and see. This is the first Intel tablet that I've ever used, so that's the interesting boot screen there. But yeah, it's turning on now. Here we are. So as you can see, let's unlock it. And I hope you can see the screen. It looks like a little brighter, so I'm making the whole camera a bit darker so you can see the screen at least. Okay. Oh, it's, no, that's better. Okay. Settings. I hope you can see it. Let's put it here so you can see it clearly. Okay. Wi-Fi. I've already connected my Wi-Fi, so you can connect your, I mean, this is common sense. You can just connect your wireless here, but it is, my wireless is dual band. I have 2.4 gigahertz as well as 5 gigahertz. right now it is not showing me the second, so it doesn't support dual band, and then it has Bluetooth, so I can turn the Bluetooth on and I can connect it with my Yamaha music system or other, maybe my Moto 360. And sound and display, let's see what kind of version of Android is running. Okay, so that is still running Android 4.4.4. Can I update it? Discharging, uptime, serial number. Okay, we'll see later how to run a system update on this tablet. Okay, that's sound and system default Proxima. Okay, and then these are the regular settings you might have seen in Android 4.4.2, though I'm running Android 6.0 on my Nexus 6, so it's interesting to go back to the previous version of Android. Okay, now this is the home screen, and I'm sure you can change the home screen by, okay, let's see, yeah, you can change the wallpapers and everything like that. Loading the live wallpaper, set wallpaper. I'm installing it just to see the battery life and stuff like that. Okay, that's neat. It reminds me of good old days of Android. What else is there? What kind of apps are there? It looks like they have some Chinese apps pre-installed. This is Baidu, the search engine from China. Yes, and the problem is most of this stuff is in Chinese, so it may be hard for North American users to use those apps. So you may have to switch to standard Google Play apps. And the good thing is that what I noticed is there's a Google Play Store from which you can install the apps you want. So there is the good old browser, calculator, calendar, camera. Oh, it has a camera as well. Oh yeah, I missed the camera. And then you have email, file manager, gallery. These are the apps which remind me of the good old Android when there was no photos or the file manager was built in. Gmail app is there, and then you have Google Play Store. So I can log into my account. Let's log in quickly. And it seems a bit slow to load. I don't know why. Anyway, but the point is that you can easily install the apps you want. Let's listen to some music and see what is the audio quality. So it has mono speakers. Okay, let's see what else is there. Let's search for Netflix. Yes.
Wear that flag on that jacket. Look at the way you do. You're asking for trouble around here, friend.
You have games here. Let's see what kind of games they have here. Oops. So as far as I can see, there's no lag whatsoever. You can see it's running buttery smooth. Oops. So it's actually interesting that this tablet is actually performing very good. I was actually not expecting. I was thinking that it would be some really slow tablet which will have a lot of lag in there, but it's not the case. and so I can watch music, I can watch movies here, I can listen to my music, I can play games, and of course I can always open Google Docs and stuff, and I can go ahead and do my work. So I mean, whatever I need from a tablet is here. And you also have support for SD card, so if I want, I can plug in SD card, I can use it too. So what are my first expressions after using this tablet for like barely 5 minutes? I think I kind of like it. Now, why do I like it? As I already noted, that first of all, it's very light. It's only 300 grams. And second thing that I like about this tablet is that it can run, I mean, of course, Windows and Android both, though I will be using Android for obvious reason. The good thing is that from performance point of view, it is actually surprisingly very fast. I was not expecting this tablet to be as responsive as it actually is. And the second thing that I like about this tablet is that you can expand the storage, of course, for all the right reasons, and then you can use it for your work, you can use it for entertainment, and you can also dual boot between Windows. I will actually be dual booting it, and we'll be doing a different video just for Windows and just to see how Windows perform on this tablet. So if you're looking for a really inexpensive tablet, I mean, of course, if you're a Linux user, you would also like to tinker with it. I have not tinkered with it at all, but I'm sure that a lot of people would like to play with it. So if you're a Linux user, I think this is a very good tablet. I mean, even if you're not a Linux user, if you just want a tablet which is extremely cheap in terms of pricing, of course, it's made of plastic, so it does feel cheap compared to iPad or Nexus 9 or Nexus 7. But the thing is, look at the price point. It's extremely cheap, and it is the most surprising thing is it's the performance is very good. It is cheap in terms of price, but it's not cheap in terms of performance, as far as I can say after playing with it for 5 or 10 minutes. And so if you're looking for this kind of inexpensive, I won't even use the word cheap for it, I would rather use the word inexpensive for it. So if you're looking for an inexpensive tablet, I think this is a great, Chuwi is a great tablet. You can read more about the full specs, about its availability, about its price in the descriptions below. And if you're ordering it, do let us know what you think about this tablet. From what I see it, I think this is an impressive tablet for this price point. I mean, it's a steal, so go grab one for yourself. I usually don't review this kind of product, but this tablet is really, I mean, really, it's a good tablet for that price. So enjoy.